today because the company that I founded with 5 other partners is dedicated to trying to improve what I'm going to say are very dismal recovery rates in the addiction field. Unfortunately, the treatment system, AA, NA, outpatient clinics, they're all great. They're great infrastructure, but too many addicts, too many alcoholics fall through the cracks. Too many addicts go to treatment 9 times and then die. Professional monitoring systems, RAMP programs, physicians call them PHPs. These programs have been in existence for over 20 years, and they've been studied extensively. And guess what? 80% of people that enter those programs have sustained recovery 5 years later. 5 years.
Where would you get some?
That's why I'm here today. And there you have it. Okay. What do these recovery programs do, or physicians' health plans, as doctors call them, or nurses' programs do, that nothing that we've talked about today, what do? They integrate every concept of recovery into a unified program to bring together as many resources as possible. What this means is, if a nurse or a doctor becomes addicted, they are no longer in control of their recovery. You know, unfortunately, the medical profession has known for quite some time that addiction is a disease, and they know just how serious it is. And that's why they require guys that have gone to medical school to complete a 5-year recovery program in order to maintain their license, because they know just how serious the disease of addiction is. At Recovery Compliance, what we try to do is integrate in all of the available resources into a program that lasts anywhere from 3 to 5 years, so that the addict has time to truly heal. And how is this done? Well, the first step in all of these, in a PHP program, is the person has to go to treatment and get clean. You know, and that can be anywhere from 15 days to 30 days. The second step, they need an intensive outpatient along with introduction to NA and AA. They also need urine screening, randomized urine screening. While people are resistant to this, this is actually can be a crutch to an addict. This can be something that they welcome because they can't get away with it. You know, in an addict's mind or an alcoholic's mind, you know, they think, well, I can just go back and do one. However, if they know they're going to get caught, a certain percentage of them will not use just because of that. Meaning if you did nothing else, okay, recovery rates are higher. Meaning if a person leaves treatment and they don't go to NA, they don't go to AA, they don't do an outpatient, but they know that they're going to get urine screened on a regular basis, those people stay clean longer than people that are not urine screened. So urine screening as part of a recovery compliance program or a recovery program is a critical element. And these tests cannot be self-administered, and it's also very difficult for a parent or a loved one to administer a test on their children or on their partner. So so that's where we come in. We do randomized urine screening. We set up a recovery program that encompasses all available treatment resources, that encompasses visits to their doctor, meaning when they go to a doctor, we're going to monitor that because we don't want an addict to be prescribed OxyContin by their doctor for, or at least if they are going to be prescribed that, it should be documented so that their family, spouse, partners know what's happening. We're going to set up a meeting schedule that they have to attend. It doesn't mean they won't be part of the process, but they're going to have to attend meetings. They're going to have a monthly meeting with a compliance manager to review all of their progress in what they've done in NA and AA, whether they were compliant with their urine screening, did they pass their urine screens? And this is a benefit to the addict or alcoholic as well, because it's a very frustrating position to be in sometimes when you say, well, I've been clean, I'm doing well, I'm doing great. But guess what? For the last 5 years, every time you said that, it was a lie. So building up trust again, when a person can say, I've been clean, here's my report that shows my 5 clean urines, that I attended my meetings, that I went to see my drug counselor, that I attended my IOP, whatever is in their particular plan, then they have a sense of accomplishment. And they can actually prove it, and the bonds between family, wife, spouses can begin to heal.